Hey fellow traders! In this video we're gonna take a look at the Mcginley dynamic indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the Mcginley dynamic indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart, and please don't forget to click on the Allow Delete Imports in the settings window. I also want to recommend you the FXSI order book indicator. It is an ultimate tool for analyzing market sentiment and crowd behavior. On the left side you can see the distribution of stop loss and limit orders of retail traders. On the right we have positioning of open trades. Blue are lost trades, orange winning trades. To the left, sellers. To the right, buyers. This information provides infinite possibilities for market analysis. Learn more and try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with order book, you will also get access to 7 other sentiment indicators. The Mcginley dynamic is a MetaTrader 4 trend indicator. It comes with the classic moving averages that compares the current price position with its dynamic trend line for determining current trend conditions. Applying a single moving averages is probably the easiest option for novice traders to begin trend following trading. It requires only to judge whether the price is moving above or below the dynamic trend line. So how to trade with the Mcginley dynamic indicator? As you can see on the chart, the Mcginley dynamic indicator applies a 12-period moving average for identifying potential trend reversal zones. Examining the trend conditions and determining trend signals entirely depends on how the price reacts to the indicator's slope. The price was primarily intended to bounce back from the dynamic zero to region of the current trend moved during the trend market. The price will primarily intend to bounce back from the dynamic zero to rejoin the current trend moved during the trending market. For example, here is the price initiated a strong uptrend, moved right after a bullish breakout plotted at the indicator level. Later, when the market price returned to the slope again, it formed a false breakout, rejected the dynamic support zone, and rebounded to make further extension of the current bullish trend. However, going for breakout entry each time the price breaks Mcginley dynamic level may not work well in the long run. The price may often plot a false breakout at the support or resistance line. So it is necessary to confirm the price breakout at the trend line first before the triggering buy-or-sell order. In this case, we may play a little waiting game to ensure a price breakout and secure the trend reversal signal. For instance, a bullish candle breaks above the Mcginley dynamic level, which is indeed a bullish breakout. But further confirmation, you may wait until the height of the respective bullish bar is broken by the next price candles. In the indicator settings, we can change only the indicator history, length, period, and smoothing parameters of the indicator line. And in the Colors tab, we can change the colors and thickness of the indicator line. The Mcginley dynamic indicator offers impressive support for Forex and stock day traders. Moreover, with proper modifications in MT4 settings, you can apply it for intraday trading as well. However, like every trading indicator, the Mcginley dynamic requires a decent trading plan which will keep you away from the weak or false trade signals. Moreover, you can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.